Hey everyone, welcome to my Khalaghar. Today's topic is how to teach addition to kids in a very easy and practical way. We need a box and few coins. Instead of coins, you can use big size buttons also. Now I'm preparing the addition box for kids. You can easily prepare this type of addition box at home so the child will get exposure to learn from practical experiences. And of course, the hands-on experience is also there. So it is a very good and easy way to teach kids addition. The box is ready now. It's very easy to make, right? Now we can give this box to our kids and encourage them to learn the addition. Kids learn very fast when they are learning from practical experiences. So I'm sure our kids are going to love doing this activity. So here I have one equation, that is 1 plus 1. So we can encourage our kids to insert the coin accordingly. Now we can encourage them to count 1 plus 1, 1, 2. It's 2. So we can encourage them to count and write it once they are done. Next is 2 plus 3. Now we can encourage our child to count the coins and insert it in the given box. Now the child will be very much curious to open the box and count the coins. One more thing I want to share with you all, that as you can see, I'm giving one addition at a time. Here I'm not using any notebook and giving so many additions together to a child. When we are giving multiple things to do to a child, the child may lose his interest and concentration to do any activity. When I was a teacher in a Montessori school, that time I learned about this technique. I'm sure your child is going to love doing this activity. So you can definitely make one addition box for your little one.